You now have all the pieces, the strategy, the risk management, and the mindset. But there is one final step, proving you can follow those rules consistently before any real money is involved. The goal of this final lesson is to move you from theory to actual disciplined execution. Let's do a quick lightning recap. We started with mindset and the basics of what Forex actually is. We learned how to identify pairs, spot the trend, and mark our key supply and demand levels. We built a strategy and realized that risk management is the shield that keeps us in the game. Then we covered confirmation, how to fill out an order ticket, and how to stay safe during high-impact news. Before you trade live, you need to backtest. This is your personal research and development phase. It means testing your setup on past charts to see if it actually works over a long period. For every backtest, you must record the pair and the time frame you used for your analysis. Note if you were aligned with the daily trend and the specific supply or demand level you traded from. What was your exact confirmation signal, and what was your planned entry price? Track your stop loss, your profit target, and the final result in R units. Finally, add notes. Why did the trade win or lose? Was there something you could have done better? I want you to find and record 30 examples of your setup. Not 5, not 10, 30. Doing this builds the visual recognition and confidence you need to trust your plan when it's live. Once backtesting is done, it's time for the demo challenge. This is the bridge to the real world. You will take 30 trades minimum in a simulated environment using real-time price action. Every single trade must be journaled with a screenshot of the entry and the exit. There are 2 strict rules. Never, ever widen your stop loss once the trade is active. No revenge trades. If you lose, you don't jump back in to win it back. You stay calm. You never risk more than 1% of your demo account balance on any single trade. If you hit 2 losses in one day, you walk away for the day. This builds elite discipline. In demo, your rule-following score matters infinitely more than a lucky profit. If you follow your rules but lose money, that's a success. If you break rules and win, that's a failure. Before every trade, you must be able to say, I traded this pair because the trend was aligned. My specific setup was present, and I waited for my confirmation at the level. My stop and target are set in the system, and I am only risking 1%. If you can't say that sentence clearly for a trade, then you do not take the trade, period. Professional traders are experts at sitting on their hands and waiting for the right moment. Now, let's talk about that first real money trade. This is a major milestone. This only happens after you've successfully completed your 30-trade demo challenge. If you're under 18, you must have legal guardian approval and follow all local broker laws. Start with tiny risk. We are talking about risking dollars, not hundreds or thousands. The goal is to prove you can keep your emotions in check when there is real skin in the game. Stick to a major pair only. They have the most liquidity and the most predictable moves. Use the exact same setup and risk model that you perfected during your demo challenge. Here is your first trade checklist. Is the daily trend clear? Does the 4-hour chart agree? Is price in a valid pullback zone? Did you wait for your specific confirmation candle? Is your stop loss at a logical point? Is your profit target at least 2R or a major level? Is the news calendar clear? Have you calculated your lot size based on your dollar risk? And finally, is your mindset calm? Are you trading the plan or are you trading for a thrill? If any single answer on this checklist is maybe, you skip the trade. Don't force it. The market will be there tomorrow. Protecting your capital is your #1 job. What does success look like? It's not a 1000% gain. It's following your rules perfectly. It's keeping your losses small and seeing your discipline grow over a large sample. Failure is taking random trades because you're bored or trying to get rich quick. It's hiding losses, revenge trading, or quitting your journal when things get tough. Your final assignment, go find those 30 backtest examples. Then start your 30 demo trades. Complete a weekly review of your journal. Only then decide if you're ready for tiny live risk. The goal is not to take the most trades. The goal is to take clean trades, risk small, and repeat. If you can explain your entry, stop, and target before you click, you are acting like a real trader. I'm proud of you for making it through this course. You have the foundation. Now go prove your discipline, one trade at a time. Happy trading.